Orham, look around this beautiful garden. Can you see the butterfly flying over the flowers? Wow, look at it go! Flutter, flutter. Have you ever wondered, where does a butterfly come from? Let me show you something amazing. Every butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg. After some time, something magical happens. Crack, crack, crack. The egg opens, and out comes a tiny caterpillar. Wiggle, wiggle. This little caterpillar is very, very hungry. It starts eating fresh green leaves. Yum, yum, yum. Munch, munch, munch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. It keeps eating and eating all day long. And guess what? It grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Now the caterpillar is ready for its next step. It finds a safe place and hangs upside down, swinging gently. Sway, sway. Then it wraps itself up and forms a chrysalis. Now everything becomes quiet. It looks like nothing is happening. So still, so calm. But inside, something incredible is happening. Magic, change, transformation. After some time, crack, crack, the chrysalis begins to open, slowly, slowly, and out comes a beautiful butterfly. Wow! Look at those wings! At first, the wings are soft, flap, flap. Then they stretch, wider and stronger, flap, flap, flutter, flutter. And now the butterfly is ready. It spreads its wings and flies into the sky. Flutter, flutter, fly high. Butterfly shine. Isn't that amazing? Let's remember the steps together. First, the egg. Then, the caterpillar. Next, the chrysalis. And finally, the butterfly. Such a beautiful journey. Nature is full of wonderful surprises. Wow! So next time you see a butterfly fluttering by, flutter, flutter, remember it started as a tiny little egg. Thank you for learning with me today. Bye-bye. See you again soon.
Kidmiz TV, come and play. Learn and laugh every day. Kidmiz TV.